cross buns, of chocolate eggs and holidays, of treasure hunts. What fun!
But then I start to wonder, why is there all this fuss? What does Easter really mean to others and to us?
I'm Ruth Drake. I am the chairperson of Cherish, which is the charity attached to the Special Care Baby Unit in the Wrexham Minor Hospital. Alid's asked me just to say a few words, so I'll try and keep it brief. Obviously, firstly, I'd like to send a huge thank you on behalf of Cherish to John's Boys for doing this wonderful virtual concert for us. And I'd also like to thank Morgana Warren-Jones, the soloist, for her time as well. We are so grateful to everybody involved for all your hard work and effort. It's not the first time John's Boys have supported us, So we're super, super grateful and really pleased to be benefiting from this fabulous event. Obviously, as I mentioned, Cherish are attached to the special care unit. We provide as much help and support as we can to parents, obviously going through the most difficult time in their lives, when their babies are really, really sick on the unit. And we provide care, support, financial support, and anything we can really to help. Our aim is to try and make the experience for families and siblings and mostly parents, of course, the best experience it can possibly be in the worst situation possible. So that's what we do. We'd never ever be able to run without people like yourselves raising money for us. We're completely run by volunteers. Most of us, like myself, are ex-Skaboo parents. So we've had very, very sick babies on Skaboo, so we know what it's like. And yeah, we're very, very grateful and thank you very much. And I hope everyone enjoys the concert because I know I will. So thanks to Aled, John's Boys, Morgana, and everybody who bought a ticket. Thank you.
The reading is taken from the Gospel according to St. Mark, chapter 10, verses 10 to 16. People brought their small children to Jesus so he could lay his hands on them to bless them. But the followers told the people to stop bringing their children to him. Jesus saw what happened. He did not like his followers telling the children not to come. So he said to them, "Let the little children come to me. Don't stop them, because God's kingdom belongs to people who are like these little children. The truth is, you must accept God's kingdom like a little child accepts things, or you will never enter it." Then Jesus held the children in his arms. He laid his hands on them and blessed them.
came upon his
Red.
Is for the blood he gave.
Green.
Is for the grass he made.
Yellow.
Is for the sun so bright.
Orange.
Is for the edge of night.
Black.
Is for the sins we made.
White.
Is for the grace he gave.
Purple.
Is for the hour of sorrow.
Pink.
Is for our new tomorrow.
An egg full of jelly beans, colourful and sweet, is a prayer, a promise, a loved one's treat.
Happy Easter. May your Easter be happy. May your day be bright. May you enjoy the treats and sweet delights. But remember the meaning. Remember God's gift. Remember the resurrection. May your soul uplift.
Noswaith Da, good evening from all the members of John's Boys Male Voice Choir. Tonight we are proud to be able to show you our performance of Heal the World, arranged by Aled Phillips along with guest soloist Morgana Warren-Jones. Tonight's performance is dedicated to our chosen charity, Cherish, which is the special care baby unit attached to the Wrexham Myler Hospital. They provide help and support for parents going through difficult times when unfortunately their babies are sick. They also provide financial support to make the experience for families, siblings and parents the best it possibly can be in the worst imaginable situations. They're completely run by volunteers, so rely on donations from ourselves and people like you to keep their great work going. So please don't hesitate to give as little or as much as you can to our Just Giving page. So for now, please enjoy our performance of Heal the World.
Think about the generations.
And say we want to make it a better place for our children
And our children's children.
so they know it's a better world for them.
And think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry.